Hey fitness warriors, if you've ever dreamed of sculpting a defined, powerful core, the kind you see in athletes, models, and top-tier bodybuilders, then stick with me. In this full-length video, I'll be taking you through the 5 best exercises that, when done right and consistently for 30 days, can help you unlock your core's full potential. We'll talk about anatomy of the abs, proper technique, reps and sets, form mistakes to avoid diet and fat loss tips, and a complete 30-day workout plan. Welcome back to the channel. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about goals in the world of fitness, building six-pack abs. So grab your water, put on your workout gear, and let's get into it. Understanding the abdominal muscles. Before we start crunching, let's understand what we're working with. Your abs aren't just one muscle. They're a complex group, rectus abdominis. This is the six-pack muscle running down the front of your stomach. External obliques, on the sides, help with rotation and bending. Internal obliques, deeper layer under the external ones. Transverse abdominis, TVA, deep core stabilizer, like a corset around your spine. A visible six-pack comes from training the rectus abdominis and burning the fat that covers it. Let's move to exercise number 1. Reverse crunch, lower abs blaster. Why it works? This targets the lower portion of the rectus abdominis, an area many people find hard to define. How to do it? Lie flat on your back, hands by your sides or under your glutes. Bend your knees and lift your feet off the floor. Curl your hips towards your chest by contracting your abs. Slowly lower without touching your feet to the ground. Do 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Rest 30 to 60 seconds. Tips: focus on controlled movement. Don't use momentum. Use your abs to lift your hips. Keep your neck relaxed. Exercise 2. Bicycle crunch, total core activation. Why it works? Works the upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all at once. How to do it? Lie on your back, hands behind your head. Lift your knees and shoulders off the ground. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending the other leg. Switch sides in a pedaling motion. Do 3 sets of 20 to 30 total reps, 10 to 15 per side. Tips: don't pull on your neck. Twist through the torso to activate obliques. Controlled pace is better than fast and sloppy. Exercise 3. Hanging leg raise, core strength builder. Why it works? An advanced move that strengthens the lower abs and engages the hip flexors. How to do it? Hang from a pull-up bar with an overhand grip. Keep your legs straight and raise them until they're parallel to the ground. Slowly lower them back down. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If too difficult, bend your knees. Tips: no swinging. Use core control. Keep your torso steady. Engage your lats slightly to stabilize. Exercise 4. Plank to side plank, core and obliques. Why it works? Targets deep core muscles and strengthens the transverse abdominis. How to do it? Start in a forearm plank position. Rotate to a side plank, stacking one foot on the other. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then return to center. Switch sides. 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds per side. Tips: keep your body in a straight line. Don't let your hips sag. Breathe steadily throughout. Exercise 5. Weighted cable crunch, upper ab mass. Why it works? Allows you to progressively overload your upper abs, much like other muscles. How to do it? Attach a rope to a high pulley and kneel facing the machine. Hold the rope beside your ears. Crunch down, bringing your elbows to your knees. Slowly return to start. Do 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Increase the weight weekly. Tips: don't pull with your arms. Focus on your abs contracting. Keep the motion slow and controlled. 30-day workout plan. Weekly split example. Day 1, reverse crunch plus plank. Day 2, bicycle crunch plus hanging leg raise. Day 3, rest. Day 4, weighted crunch plus side plank. Day 5, repeat day 1. Day 6, repeat day 2. Day 7, active recovery, walking, stretching. Focus on progressive overload, clean form, and core engagement throughout. ABS and diet. Abs are made in the kitchen. Tips: eat high-protein, low-processed meals. Cut out sugary beverages and snacks. Eat fiber-rich veggies and healthy fats. Stay in a slight caloric deficit for fat loss. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily. Recovery and fat loss tips. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night. Don't overtrain your abs. They need rest too. Walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps per day. Include HIIT cardio 2 times per week for fat burning. Common mistakes to avoid. Training abs every day with poor form. Thinking ab exercises alone will burn belly fat. Not focusing on mind-muscle connection. Doing hundreds of crunches instead of quality reps. Ignoring proper nutrition. And there you have it, your complete guide to building a ripped six-pack. With these 5 elite exercises, proper form, consistency, and a clean diet, you'll start to see those abs emerge. Remember, everyone has abs. It's just a matter of training them right and burning the fat that hides them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and comment below with your questions or results. Let's crush this 30-day challenge together. Until next time, stay strong, stay shredded, and stay focused. Explosion.